You have a building that needs repairs, so why should you call a consultant?
J2 Building Consultants is a team of project managers, designers, architects, and engineers with a background in construction. We provide leadership and hope to an oftentimes confusing and discouraging process.
We speak the language of construction, project management, insurance recovery, litigation support, and finance. We manage the repair process for you so you know it's done right once and for all.
Our solutions not only restore buildings, but they also restore property values, investments, reputations, careers, relationships, and even communities.
So where do you start? You can meet with our experts for consultation and direction. We can help you determine what kind of inspection you need to start with.
We start by diagnosing the problem. This is the initial consulting process. We understand your building conditions through diagnosis and testing and propose repair solutions.
We'll then do an inspection to determine the extent of construction defects or leaks causing decay and structural damage.
Here are some examples of damage we find just beneath the surface.
When the inspection is finished, we can start with some immediate repair items.
We design the repair plan and details, including you in every step of the process. This is where the proposed solutions become a reality. We not only fix issues with your building, but we also make it look beautiful and fresh along the way.
Once the budget is set, we'll start a competitive bid process to get prices from contractors to do the job.
We'll propose a few 3D renderings and bring them to you to review and edit.
Once the contractor is hired, we will put together the various documents, like a signed contract between the owner and contractor, building permits, and we get the construction documents stamped by an architect.
Now the process is underway. The building can continue to be used and lived in during construction. We keep an eye on the process so you don't have to worry about things getting done. We'll have ongoing meetings to keep you and your HOA updated on the construction and get your input on decisions that need to be made.
We direct the repair process to make sure it's done well. We assist our clients in tracking project budgets, reviewing and monitoring schedules, and inspecting the work to ensure that it complies with our details, specifications, and high standard of excellence. We keep track of the bidding, permitting, and construction, and we can even give you advice on making a claim to your insurance.
We'll help you find the money to make all the necessary repairs. We can get creative here with warranties, insurance, loans, rebates from energy companies, and getting help from unit owners.
When the project is finished, we'll help you reset your reserve amounts based on the replaced and repaired elements. We can establish a maintenance schedule that preserves your warranty rights and extends your building life.
We leave you with the confidence that quality improvements have been made to your building and the peace of mind that more repairs won't need to happen anytime soon.
Thank you for watching.